What's up, everybody? How are you doing? And welcome back to Marketing with Dom. You already know the #1 OnlyFans trainer in the business and your favorite marketer. You already know I'm here to get to the bag to teach you how to get it as well. Today we're gonna have a topic. It's really about the concept, so I need you to take a pen or a pad. I'll get your phone or notes, or I need you to have the greatest memory of all time because you need to understand this. I talk about a lot of things that I see in the industry that need to be fixed, and today we're gonna talk about why we do not use links and why we use websites or landing pages to convert across our creators' pages rather than using like link trees and stuff like that. There's a few different reasons, and we're gonna go down the line and we're gonna talk about it. I'm also going to show you with a full walkthrough, so it's very important that you watch this video to the end because I'm gonna plug you on some great things and then also give you a chance to be able to go learn a few things from my #1 site that I use to build landing pages with and how that has helped us convert almost at a 40% increase rate. I'm not even joking. So imagine if 100 people came on your link tree and 20 signed up. Now, if you have this instead, you're gonna have 60 people sign up, which is fire, okay? So let's go into my computer. We're gonna dial in to the reason why I do it and why it makes a huge difference in your overall narrative. Trying to get to that bag. Let's get in my computer. Let's go, everybody. So we're about to break down something, and this is why I do not use link trees or anything like that, and we build sites rather than building like link trees and stuff like that. I know people use it because it's simple, but like I say, what the 90% of people are doing, you should do the opposite, and that's why people don't understand the longevity of their business, and they really have a hard time of growing because you are losing so much possibilities, and I'm going to show you undisputable evidence of the difference of why you get subscribers and why we get a lot of subscribers on our pages by using this and you do not by using Linktree and all these other little click a double links. The first thing I want to say is any customer who's confused will not click and purchase anything. And a lot of times people are like, it's not confusing, it says OnlyFans. Most consumers, although you think the whole world knows what OnlyFans is, that is not the truth. A lot of people who click on your link in your bio and your link tree have no idea what OnlyFans is. And the fact that you put the word click my OnlyFans actually diminishes how many people click on your link. Instead of using the word like private chat, which everybody knows, that's like understandable, the word private, then chat, got that. Exclusive content, everybody knows what the word exclusive is and everybody knows what the word content is. That's universal. So using the word OnlyFans is not universal as people want it to be, and that's why I just laugh when I see people all the time like, click on my OnlyFans. No, that actually is converting a lot less than click on my exclusive site, click on my private chat to come talk to me. Those always convert higher. So let's break this down through and through of what we do and why we do it so you can understand the importance. And I'm going to show you a site that we use and one of our top creators that shows exactly what her conversion rate looks like and how amazing it is compared to not at all. So you have your traffic to social media, your social media to your link. A lot of people send people to Linktree and then it has like 7 links here or 5 links or 3 links. And like I said, most people you're battling for attention. So if you send somebody to somewhere and they have to kind of sit there and think for more than 5 seconds on which link they're going to click, just imagine the distractions that are in the world. So you're going to be distracted and you're going to move to something else. That's what happens. People send people to link trees and stuff like that. They click, they look at all the links like, oh, where do I want to go? Where do I want to go? Oh, somebody messaged me. Oh, somebody's calling me. Oh, somebody's texting me. Oh, this is out. Oh, that is out. So you lose customers right there. Your URL, your conversion rate goes down drastically. And I'm going to show you something that's kind of overwhelmingly like just true and that we've gotten such good results that it almost makes it crazy that almost close to 100% of the people who click on our site give us their information. And I'm going to show you, right? So this is the funnel that we use to grow consistently. So we send traffic to the sites that we build, that we use with ClickFunnels, that I think is an amazing platform. We build a single funnel directly driving people through. We get their information, email, phone number, and then we send them to OnlyFans. All right, so OnlyFans always, no matter where it's at in the process, will not have that high of a conversion rate. OnlyFans was not built to convert people who were unsure to join you. They're about people who are actually fans. So I'm going to express why my agency builds this out. We go here, and then we go from here to having their text messages and their marketing, and guess what we can do? We can drive traffic to the place consistently, sending emails out, sending text messages blast back to OnlyFans. People check their emails and text messages 10 times more than they'll check their OnlyFans because it's normal. for people to check their emails, to check their cell phones. You have to be such a good creator where somebody gets on OnlyFans and then desires you so much that they consistently come back. But come on, people. That's almost unreal. Some people have it, but they're like, yo, it works for me. Yes, sorry, you won the lotto. But doesn't mean everybody in the world should go play the lotto, because 99.9% of the people who play the lotto lose. So stop playing what I call the lotto game, which is like using your defense of why you don't do something because somebody does it and they're special. Yes, that person's special. Yes, it doesn't work. But you want to know what works 99% of the time? Your own personal website that drives it to you. Okay, let me show you this. So this is how we set up our funnel. This is the 3 things you always need to know. I go in depth in these in multiple different videos, and you should check those out too. But your traffic, where do you get your traffic from? And then where do you push that traffic to? Everybody's pushing their traffic to OnlyFans. But guess what? When somebody stops following you, what do you have to do? I got to follow them back and send them traffic anyway. But imagine OnlyFans at any point in time decides to shut your business down. They're like, yo, you're done. We don't want you here anymore. Your business is done. Your whole business. You don't know who your fans were. You may know a few of them. You don't really know how to get back to them. You got to go back to social media. People hold social media to such a high standard when in reality, they can shut you off at any time too. You have nothing. OnlyFans can shut you off at any time. You have nothing. But my website stays balling because they also don't have as many regulations. There's no like, you know what I mean? You can't just be selling like certain things on a site depending on the credit card processing company. But they don't have any regulations that is just going to shut your platform down because of something going wrong or something like that. That's super, super rare. But as we know, these platforms are known to be beast and shut your platform down. And OnlyFans is known to shut your platform down as well. So let me show you something. Let me show you one of our top creators right now because I want to show you an example. This is a site that we built for her. Super, super simple. You know, I'm going to go like this. It's going to open up in place. Super, super simple. This is not complicated. And people are like, oh, well, why is it? It's because, first of all, it's quick loading. It gets straight to the point, and it tells you what you're going to receive immediately in exchange for this information. Right? But now, the best thing about it is you own the information. But let me go a little bit further, right? Because like I told you from the beginning, your conversion rate drops drastically. If you're watching this video and you've seen people get like 1,000 clicks and like not that many people convert it, let me show you something that's almost crazy to me. I just looked at it today and it even just doubled me down in the factors of boom. So here we go. We're having a little technical difficulties, but here I am to show you what it looks like. Let's go back to the funnel again. Let's show it back and make sure that we are on the same funnel. Boom, that is hers. Boom. All right. So this is crazy. So I want you to see this because this isn't really the number, but it's pretty fucking high. Like it's pretty high. It's not 150% rate, which is pretty outrageous, which means that everything that touches this page damn near converts into an opt-in and an email. So let's start off since we started this for a while ago. And let's go here. Let's go to the first apply application because we also get found on Google and everything else like that. But here's how many times we've basically had clicked on this link. This is page views, right? And here is the opt-in rate. So we've collected almost 1,000 emails. You know how hard it is for most creators to get to 1,000 subscribers on OnlyFans or 800 OnlyFans? And this is our rate from people who all came to this platform. Plus the unique ones, right? Like traffic we've driven, unique ones coming from Google and everything else like that. Boom. We have 800 emails that came in through this platform. Now I really want you to think about that, okay? So you're using these link trees and all this other kind of stuff, and they're converting at probably like a 10% rate. Only around 10%. And you're continuously going down that road and using it because you're too afraid to build your own site, or you're an agency who doesn't want to go through the process and do this. But let me tell you something. I pay quite a good amount of money for this site, right, to run. But let me tell you something. Things that we could do with this 800, it takes about 3 days and we could pay this site back. So you really got to pay attention depending on what users you have, who you're doing it for, and can you actually make this money back. Most creators who convert up to 70 to 100 people make more than enough to pay for a system that actually sustains growth. And think about this, right? If all these people are now on the OnlyFans platform. If they leave the OnlyFans platform, they don't come back, we can still send emails to them updating them about what has been updated. which gives them a better queue, sending text message blasts with a better queue to bring somebody back to the OnlyFans platform than any other source. This is real marketing here. So this is the end of it. I just wanted to show you this because this is the reason why we do not use link trees or any of that other bullshit, because the opt-in rate is just purely amazing. This one's saying that it's 160%, which I doubt it's as high as just the numbers, but it's basically saying from all the traffic we've sent, even with unique ones, that we're driving more traffic than we're even sending to this page has been converted into emails. So hope you enjoyed that. This is why we don't use Linktree. We're going to have a 5-day challenge down below, like I said, something for you to use. Down below, the very first link or second link is going to probably say free training and OnlyFans training. Below that, it's going to say get your free 5-day challenge to drive leads to your platform, because this is how we do it. Hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. Keep doing it. Make sure you click on the link in the bio. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you next time.